Samsung's foldable phones have been falling behind the competition, and honestly, it's not hard to see why. The company has been playing it safe, making only minor upgrades instead of shaking things up. As a result, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 haven't exactly been flying off the shelves. But here's some good news. Leaked renders of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 suggest Samsung is finally ready to step up its game this year. And now, new CAD renders of the Galaxy Z Flip 7 have surfaced, giving us a first look at what's coming. If you were hoping for a complete design overhaul, though, you might be a little disappointed. At first glance, the Flip 7 looks almost identical to its predecessors. The only real change seems to be a slight increase in display size. The outer cover screen is getting a modest bump to 3.6 inches, up from the Flip 6's 3.4-inch display, while the inner display is reportedly expanding to 6.8 inches instead of 6.7. While a slightly bigger cover screen is always welcome, it's still not enough to match the Moto Razr Plus, which boasts a roomier 4-inch outer display. One promising improvement, however, could be a less visible crease on the inner screen, something Samsung's foldables have struggled with in the past. With a larger display comes a slight increase in overall size. When unfolded, the Z Flip 7 is said to measure 166.6 by 75.2 by 6.9 millimeters, compared to the Z Flip 6 165.1 by 71.9 by 6.9 millimeters. That's not a dramatic difference, and the thickness remains the same. What's unclear is whether the new model will be heavier than its predecessor. Internally, things get interesting. Instead of sticking with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon chip, rumors suggest Samsung might switch to its own Exynos 2500 this time. If that's true, it could be a risky move, considering Samsung's Exynos chips have had mixed results in the past. In the camera department, don't expect anything groundbreaking. The Flip 7 is expected to retain the same 50-megapixel primary lens and 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, which suggests Samsung is once again taking a conservative approach. As for pricing, Samsung could keep things unchanged, offering the Flip 7 at the same $1,099 starting price as the Flip 6. That likely applies to the base 256 gigs storage model, with a higher 512 gigs option also available. Both are said to come with 12 gigs of RAM, so at least there's no downgrade in memory. So, what's the verdict? The Flip 7 seems to be more of a refinement than a revolution. A slightly bigger screen and a possibly improved crease are nice touches, but overall, the design remains largely the same. Samsung appears to be saving the bigger changes for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 instead. Whether that's enough to entice buyers remains to be seen. So, what do you think? Is the Flip 7 exciting enough for an upgrade, or is Samsung playing it too safe yet again? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.